Okay, so I went to these vending machines now. This is after I just hit for the 100, and I bought this ticket now. And I got the, I'm on a roll today. Let's see what else we have here. Let's just scratch off the bottom so I don't keep everybody waiting. How about that? Let's check. Hello? It doesn't work. Come on now. Oh, what a messed up video, right? Can you check this? That machine's not working. Thank you. Thanks. $50. Okay, I'll take that. Thank you so much. Okay, we are in Westbury. Look how cute he is. Have a good day.